dignified guests, and all of the delegates, dear students, the management of the both colleges, in the organization of international webinar. Today we are having the three very resourceful personality. Out of that, I am taking a chance, and it is my privilege to introduce Dr. Atul Salunke sir. Dr. Atul Salunke sir, presently working as a NSS SLO, means the state liaison officer of the entire Maharashtra. In other words, he is in charge of the entire Maharashtra of the NSS. But let me take an opportunity to introduce his career. He started as a lecturer in the November 1989 in the C.D. Deshmukh College. And interestingly, friends, in the December 1989, he worked as a NSS program officer. Means within 1 month, he started and he worked in the NSS. Then very interestingly, his continuation of the social work, and he was promoted as a district NSS coordinator in July 2002 of the Mumbai University. Means he became the in charge of the district NSS of the Mumbai University. And very interestingly, in the March 2008, sir became a NSS coordinator of the Mumbai University. Means entire Mumbai University was under his guidance for the NSS. And it is a very prestigious thing to every one of you that his dedication in the social work stands a very nice, and he become a NSS state liaison officer of the Maharashtra state. Sir is presently working as a principal of the C.D. Deshmukh College, Roha also, and he is presently working as a NSS SLO, that is a state liaison officer. But two things I must have to contribute to you, that sir received the 2 times Indira Gandhi National Award in the 2011-12 as well as 2012-13. So he got a 2 times Indira Gandhi National Award in the NSS. These are the highest achievements of the Atul Salunke sir in the NSS, in the social work. Such a dignified person who eats the NSS means the social work, who breathes the NSS means the social work, whose blood is NSS means the social work. Such a person from the top to the bottom of the NSS, of the social work we are having. And let me give a very big hand to him for his such a contribution. And today he is delivering a nice keynote about the NSS contribution, social work contribution in the COVID situation. So give a very, very big warm welcome and big hand to the Atul Salunke sir. Thank you very much, friends.
Welcome to all dignitaries, researchers, faculty members and academicians. I'm really feel very proud. I'm one of the part of today's webinar and conference. I'm congratulate to Principal Dr. Fulari, Dr. Chauhan. Under his leadership, he organized this conference on the topic of preparedness in COVID-19. And most important part is he gave the maximum weightage to the NSS and Extension and Long Life Learning Department. I would like to start with this webinar on topic the role of National Service Scheme in the preparedness of the amid disaster. And we are aware about that. This pandemic situation, the only and one NSS is work during the pandemic situation, not only for the backstage, but frontline working also started with by NSS. And this is a very good feel to me also, because of NSS is one of the activity in a country which linkages with the entire nation. NSS is a central sector program. At the central government, state government, education institutions are the three pillars of this program. I would have been the impossible to effectively run a program directly from the Union Ministry of Youth and Affairs and Sports dealing with 37 lakh volunteers in the country and more than 30,000 education institutions across the state of Maharashtra. The implementation of this program has been possible due to the effective collaboration and partnership between the center, state, university on the one hand and education institutions on the other hand. NSS volunteers have been making very valuable contribution to the society. Besides developing their own personality during the 2-year plan of NSS. Really, the NSS unit organizing this activity through the adopted villages. It is called as the Special Camping Program run by the institutions in the society and the colleges. So we are taking the consideration that near about the NSS volunteers undertook 16 lakh volunteer hours of a Shramdan and donated near about 75,000 units of bloods and planted over 3.45 lakh samplings. This is the history of NSS. The volunteers were instrumental in organizing about the health camp, eye camp, immunization camping, awareness programs through rallies, campaign on various important government programs and social issues. NSS volunteer facilitated the pulse polio immunization program. Near about 50,000 children get the benefit from this activity run by NSS. The volunteers have been playing the key role in Swachh Bharat mission, because I proudly say the previous year the government of India announced that 100 days Shramadhan program, SBSI. In this program, our one of the volunteer affiliated to Health Maharashtra University, Nashik, Dr. Saili Kamath, has received the nationwide the second rank in SBSI 100 days Shramadhan program. This is the one of the achievement. What is the another achievement of Maharashtra? The Prime Minister Office launched Youth Parliament program from institution to nationwide. The Maharashtra has received very prestigious first rank in youth parliament, the good speaker as Shweta Umbre from affiliated to Rashtrasant Tukdoji Maharaj, Nagpur University, Nagpur. Honorable Prime Minister hand over to memento cash prize to Shweta Umbre. Government of Maharashtra recommended 3 names or 3 first candidate to participate in national program. Second, Asnare. She is affiliated to Amravati University. Has given the opportunity to ask the question to Honorable Prime Minister. And really, I appreciate that our students are asking such type of questions. Honorable Prime Minister appreciate that this type of question can be asking. It is indicated that the intellectuality in NSS also. So these are the parameters. I cannot be say these are the perfect parameters, but these are the parameters also has indicated that what type of activity run by NSS. I'm very feeling the proud to say that. And last year, one of the college of affiliated University of Mumbai, KC College Churchgate, had received the prestigious national award in NSS by the auspicious hands of President of India. Another one of the volunteer, Sachin Dhole, also received the best NSS volunteer in the country. He also received the award of the auspicious hands of President of India. This is the commendable achievement of NSS. So I feel the proud because of I am the part of this NSS. And this pandemic situation, you can see that how NSS people, the work from March to still today. I just give some examples to you. The number one, the Prime Minister of India has announced that the training of basic COVID, the Maharashtra volunteers will depart for register their names in IGOT registration in PMO office or PMO center. Near about 89,000 volunteers registered and get the training from IGOT registration online, and they received the certificate. I am also one of the member of received the IGOT certificate for training the basic COVID. Later on, we are understanding that some of the student are facing the problem of languages, and therefore he cannot be completed the IGOT training. So with the help of UNICEF, NSS run the training program in mother tongue. And now I proudly say that we are cover at least 4 lakh volunteers through this training for IGOT registration as well as the basic COVID. Training also provided that sigma and differentiations. We can giving the training to them about how ourselves and others to protect from this COVID. And this is the situation in Maharashtra. I'm proudly say that near about our volunteers download the Setu app. Near about 4 lakh volunteers motivated the people and they can download the Setu app for protection. Initially, we can face the problem of masks. And therefore, the NSS volunteers are come front forward, and near about 45 lakh marks made by NSS volunteer and distributed to the needy people and frontline worker. This is the very miracle situation in Maharashtra, because during this pandemic situation, the NSS volunteer work for society. And again, one of the most important part I will explain here. During this pandemic situation, every day, 9,000 food packets distributed to the society for 40 days. And this work done by the Rashtrasant Tukadoji Maharaj Nagpur University, Nagpur, along with the Commissioner of Mundai. Another one university, Mumbai University, also played a very important role. They start the community kitchen. Ex-volunteers start the call center for distributing food packets. And Vedant College of Ulhasnagar, its management, NSS unit, also distributed 3,000 food packets to the needy people on 40 days. This is the situation to reflect that how we can work in pandemic situation. Some of the volunteers work with police. Some of the volunteers work with test lab. Some of the volunteers work with ASHA workers for test of the masses. So this is the situation of NSS. They are working for society. For that, their role is important. What is the role of NSS? The first important part is the personality development of volunteers. The National Service Scheme has strong and effective program. Media in the higher education system, it provides the community education through the student involvement in various activities. NSS provide the knowledge, information to the student volunteer through various activities. With this involvement and participation of the people from various community, NSS create the healthy relationship with community for social development and consumers. Many innovative programs implemented by NSS, which provide plenty opportunity to students and community people to build the valuable and constructive nation-wise activity. It was therefore through the essential to the study of NSS activity, see what extent this activity have brought about the positive impact on the improvement and advancement of student potential and community achievement in NSS, impact on principal, impact on program officer, impact on colleagues, impact on peer group, impact on communities persons. The NSS play a vital role in social mobilization and national reconstruction by arranging the student youth in direct service to community. The personality of the student volunteer is also developed during the NSS activity. Therefore, present study give the importance to find the impact of NSS activity on the community development. UGC also has issued the advisory to all university to introduce NSS as an elective subject with credit. And this is the one of the significant achievement of NSS. So many universities started the elective subject as a NSS. and Mumbai University also start 2-year elective subject program option with foundation course. And therefore, one hand, we have worked for practical. Second hand, we can study of the theoretical aspect of NSS. And therefore, we can proudly say our volunteers will be take the part in Republic Day at Delhi. They are also part and partial of delegation which will be go for the abroad. Last year, 6 volunteers participated in delegation which is visited to the Russia. So this is the one miracle. The NSS student get the certificate from the president. Student can participate in the delegation of the nation. And these are the one of the fruitful output. And say that, and the Maharashtra is one of the state who provide disaster management training to the volunteers, which run by the governor of Maharashtra. And this is the only one state in a country to start this type of Ahvan disaster management training. And now I'm proudly saying the central government accept this program and run in the nationwide. And this year, he gave the name of this disaster management training, Apada Mitra. So our role model can be accepted by the central government, and they can start with this. Every district, they have the Apada Mitra of 30 volunteers. And our combinations also 30 volunteers, 20 from male and 10 from females. And every year we can provide 1,400 volunteers disaster management training through the NDRF. This is the situation. This is the, say that, the parallel line for work for personality development. Another aspect of NSS is the role of NSS in social transformation. The first thing NSS provide to improve your own thought process by doing the community services. Society is a group of persons who may have different ideology. NSS volunteer through their skill and dedications make it as a homogeneous ideological group. NSS unit can take up any activity that has relevant to the community. The core activity could be the field of education and literacy, health, family welfare, nutrition, sanitation, cleanliness, environment conservation, social service program of improving status of women, production orientation program, disaster relief and rehabilitation, camping against the social evils, creating awareness about the flagship program to the government like Digital India, Skill India, promotion of yoga, etc. The NSS volunteers take care about the blood donation, child education, health awareness, issues and many other activity. Finally, it make a good human being. NSS volunteer place the community before self. And our motto is, not me, but you. This is the part of third dimension of education, namely the value education, which is becoming increasingly important. The National Service Scheme volunteers have developed such creative thoughts regarding the society where they will serve and create the awareness among the public. Very briefly, I explain. NSS establish meaningful linkages. And this is very important to institutional point of view, because you are the part and parcel of these institutions. So what type of linkage is created by NSS? Number one, university and society. Number two, campus and community. Number three, college and village. Number four, knowledge and action. And number five, pain and peacocks. This is the situation created by NSS, and NSS give us the one of the linkage of the society, and this is the need for the institution, the point of view for enrollment of student, as well as the NAT purpose point of view. We can see that this linkages is very important. Just I give the simple one example and complete my this point. The university and society. The NSS is an activity through which university make a welcome effort to reach the society. We deliver that the universities should not restrict its work to education and research only, but should also make the continual efforts to the program of common masses. And with the NSS, they complete their target. And therefore, I'm saying the university and society. Another one is campus and community. The everyday, the parents, stakeholders to visit to the college campus. The NSS volunteer play a crucial role in the campus, where he devote his 20 hours. Through this work, many small projects are developed, such as establish of solar energy, plantation, rainwater harvesting, vermicomposting, cleanliness drive, etc. This demonstration or this type of set as an example for the others, non-NSS student, their parents, their community, for the attachment with the environment protected activities. Number third is college and village. You are aware that only adoption concept run by NSS. So every college adopt a village for the period of 5 years. Every year, 7 days camp is conducted in the adopted village. Volunteers undertake various activity in the village, and this activity or this attachment among the volunteers villagers, this automatically motivated young generation of the village toward the education and the affiliated to college. And therefore I'm saying college and village. Number fourth, knowledge and action. It is a very important part, because today we can say the new education policy also, in fact, the holistic approach, life skill approach, life skill demonstrations. These are the relations with the knowledge and action. What type of knowledge we can receive and how we can pass on to the in action to the community. So NSS provide the platform for the volunteers to perform the real life what they have studied from book and institutions. Example, soil analysis, water testing, and he transfer this information to the villagers, which help them to understand their environment and to take care of their health. Similarly, different volunteer coming from the different institutions and field transfer the different types of information to the society. Agriculture students provide that the cropping pattern. The chemistry student can be provide that how much fertility in your land. These are the example can be frame out to linkage with college and action. And last point, which will elaborate that the pain and peacocks. We are the successful in implementing the ideology of pain and peacocks among the NSS volunteer, where today's generation is diverted away from the agriculture activity and field work. In contrast, NSS volunteer will train to maintain the good balance between the education and field work. Therefore, I'm saying the linkages between pain and peacocks maintained by NSS. And this is the very, very important phase. It is a very important situation for the role of NSS. So when we can run this type of activity in pandemic situations also, we can, through media, through WhatsApp group, through emails, we can giving the awareness campaign during the pandemic situation. We give the slogan that stay home, stay safe. Now we can given the slogan that New India, Fit India. So this type of slogans, when we can propagate it, the NSS student is a brand ambassador of a NSS activity to provide the knowledge to the villagers, to the adopted area or community. So what is the impact of this NSS? So the last point we can elaborate. The build a self-knowledge as the basis of leadership to facilitate others through the changes. The strain the community skill which are key to make the effective cases of changes. Learn the theory and principles behind the citizen lead and assess bias approach and how to integrate this into your work. Develop the facilitation skill and tool to use the various community development situations. The strength, the competencies to analyze how different world view influence the develop and social changes. Develop the values, attitude that nurture a culture of peace and non-violence. Engage in an analysis of intersectorizations between the poverty, health, caste, gender, equality, and environment sustainable. Gain a greater understand to complexity and principles involved with multiple section, multiple actors, collaboration with work with the partnership. Explain the local efforts, create, maintain, strengthen to citizens lead and community driven the development and grassroots campaign of the policy change. So we are the very lucky to work for this type of society where we can get the knowledge. Also, we are safer when the society can learn more. And NSS played the very important role in this aspect. I sincerely explain the thanks to good leader, Principal Fulari, Principal Chauhan sir. We give the opportunity to me to speak with you as a key person and keynote addressing. So I'm very happy you are the part and partial of NSS because you have worked in the college and every college now attached with NSS. And this is the one of the aspect for giving to me. I am very, very short period. I have completed my target. If any questions, I'm free for discuss with you. Thank you for giving this opportunity.